Hello, guys. Welcome back. So, today, trouble hearing? Don't skip this video. If you're suffering from today, I'm going to be eating Hardee's, and this is my first time doing a Hardee's eating show. Look at that. Let me do a thumbnail. My drink, y'all know that's my signature. You know I got my drink right there. Yeah. I tell you, every time I get on here, like, there has to be some kind of sense of respect on this YouTube, because there really ain't no kind of respect. Like, at least give other people a chance to post videos. And I got these little ranch, buttermilk ranch. I also went to McDonald's, because you know I love Mickey D's fries. Those are my favorite fries right there. That's going to be my snack for later. So let me pray. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this food I'm about to nourish my body with, and bless the hands that prepare this meal. Amen. So, man, there's a lot that's been going on. Like, I've been hearing about a lot of shootings, and there's been a lot of murders. But I'm not even gonna talk about that today. We're gonna be positive today. So this is what it looks like. And it's spicy, it has jalapenos on it. This is Ken's Steakhouse, Thousand Island. I love all their stuff. I love all their dressings, their mayonnaise, everything. Mm. So good. It's spicy. Mm. Ooh boy, it's spicy. Mm. Mm. This is Gatorade. Mm. Mm. Look at them jalapenos. It's good. I think this is called the Southwest Pain Sandwich. Mm. It has a nice little mild taste to it. Mm. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting my videos, like my burping videos and stuff, in playlists, and my non-burping videos, put them separate, because there's a lot of people that say that ridiculous. I mean, I can't even go. It's crazy because you can't even go online for nothing without them sending you a bunch of stuff. It's crazy. All these freaking gnats and stuff. Like, where is it coming from? You need to go over there somewhere. But that's why I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just put them in different ones. Got a lot of people who they don't like the burping and the smacking, but I can't stop it because other people like it when I smack and burp. But you know, to be fair to everybody, for everybody's different. I just put them in playlists. That way you'll know. You can look at the ones that don't have burping and smacking in it. That's why I don't have my mic connected here. Because if I did, you would really be able to hear all, even me eating. But they have this man on trial. Who what his name is? Henry Segura, Dura, Segura, and he's accused of his girlfriend and her 3 kids. But I talked to somebody, and they was telling me that he was innocent. And that she was killed by some Mexican cartel for scamming money or something. But I'm like, if you didn't do it, like the way he's acting and stuff, like he's just like, I know if I didn't do something, I'm like, look, I know if he didn't do it, he appeal. I'll be trying to do something, but they trying to give him the death penalty. There's no way I'm agree to something that I didn't do. But that's crazy because the kids ain't do nothing to deserve that. It seems like the kids these days, they can't never catch a break. Well, how has everybody been doing? I've been fine. Cool. I've been so busy with school. I booked the audition, so I'm gonna be real busy this week. I actually booked 2 auditions. This is the only reason why I don't like recording on this laptop. But now, you don't like my cup? Hmm. These mats is getting on my nerves. Here's my second one. And it's like, this was good. The only thing I didn't like was this sauce. The sauce tasted kind of weird. So that's why I put this sauce on here. Ah, okay. But if you don't like spicy, do not get this because it is very spicy. Look at that. Mmm. Look at that. Mmm. See all that goodness? Mmm. Mats are so annoying. I shouldn't be eating in here and leaving them. Plus I got a turtle over here, so that's why too. You gotta clean out her tank. It's so cold, so good. I'm like real getting full. I was full for the last one, but I'm probably gonna take one more bite of this. You know, so good. Go try one of these sandwiches. The sandwich. It's the Southwest patty. It's new. It was so good. Thank you so much for joining me. I know I didn't talk a lot, but that's just me sometimes. But thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I love you guys. Always thinking about you. If you haven't yet, please hit that like and subscribe button, and also hit that bell notification so you'll know each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you guys. Always thinking about you. Until next time.